So Msizi is giving money or sponsoring the campaign Bob Isaac. My question is, how is he going to obtain the money back? How is he going to bring back all the money that he's using to sponsor the campaign? Or did they have an agreement somewhere? But it doesn't look like they had an agreement first. He just said that he wanted to sponsor the campaign, and anything he has you would, he'll never sponsor a campaign if you don't intend to bring something from. And it looks like not to get tega because if you saw that now the posters that they had fixed at the car wash, Zikishiwe, and I know who took them out to Kata. Obviously, he was sent by Ezekiel, and I'm just what this union guy Ezekiel and Kata. It's going nowhere fast because. Okay, I'll explain to you later why I think it's going down very fast. Now, when Isaac walks in, he then realized that ngathi bakhiphe yonke into bayilahlele phansi. Now Mrs. is still willing to put his money there, but I wonder why is he willing to still put the money? Nanoma ukuthi abantu ngathi abami la land. Okay, not abantu but uBrakata nomuntu wakhe. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Limadekwana. Sanbonan Absheni Molweni Minjani. Hipukile Hingongwina. So, namuhla kano ngokwahina wa House of Zwide ikuma kurusula tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that now Ukata, even after the Memahlangu's title deed was discussed and all, he still felt the need to still go back to Ezekiel. And in my mind, I'm like, he is up to something. Kata is never innocent in any situation, and I don't understand why he would be saying boss to Ezekiel. What power does Ezekiel have? Like, what scares Kata in Ezekiel? I don't know. Well, on the other hand, again, Maria is calling the whole nation, if you know what I mean, the entire nation. Likaina, no, nekiri mampu wanyala. Oh, okay. Hello, Likaina Melody. Nekiri mampu wanyala. She is calling the whole country, and that country as well is calling who? Calling Mampo. Mampo is getting annoyed because of the phone calls that Maria made to other people. Now, in thing I understand, which Umasanza is like there's something that is annoying him about this marriage actually, or maybe is he feeling now the pressure with it since he should be doing the same. Well, the wedding date is out and Sakumbulibati is something April, so should Rokotiza or in April. Where are we now? March. Okay, February, March, April. So we are 2 months away. Yeah. And then unkosi ucela uona ukuthi can the collective allow girlfriend wakhe. Such a girlfriend because bake balala laba boyithu ukuthi ezazoshootha a collective, and eventually Ona agreed, but she said you owe me one because we can't just let Upalisa come here and shoot a collective after how we know ukuthi Upalisa behaves like kanjani. Ngiyabonga. Happy Friday, everybody.